everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, we're gonna learn how you can easily log into your AAA MasterCard online. So in order to do that, first open up a preferred web browser on your computer or your mobile device. In the search box, type in www.creditcard.acg.aaa.com and then press enter on your keyboard. Doing so will take you to the self-service login portal for AAA MasterCard. Go ahead and type in your personal ID in the first text box and hit continue. If you don't remember your personal ID, click the Forgot Your Personal ID link and follow through the prompts till the end. After typing in your ID, click continue and on the next field, it'll ask you some of the security questions. Answer the question asked in the display. In my case, it asked me my 5-digit student ID number. Let me go ahead and type it in quickly. And after you are done answering the question, click the next button. Soon after you hit next, you'll be able to log into your AAA MasterCard account. That was how it can be easily done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Thanks for watching.